I have found my mate. I am certain she is the one. I need not think outside the box to know true love. I need no thoughts, only her touch. We have formed a community, all of us. Even though we are mainly in darkness, we remain sticks of light. And ever so often we must serve our purpose. Heaven slides open and we are exposed to clarity. My deepest dilemma: do I try to move and save us time, or do I take my time to admire her beauty? As heaven closes, I reach over to find her there. She is smiling, I hope. Her deepest dilemma: is she happy she is spared, or does she feel for our neighbor, a widow in despair? I cannot make meaning of this dreaded process. Not once are we needed when there is absolute darkness.